Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be talking about lunch at Belinda's. Listen, it was a really great experience and I want you to stay tuned. But before we go any further, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. To get to Belinda, you're gonna have to raft down the Rio Grande River. No, it will take about 2 to 3 hours depending on, if you decide to stop, take pictures, etc. I do recommend you carry a cooler with your liquor, your water, etc. Do carry an umbrella because it tends to get a little bit hot, and sunblock. And also remember that cash is the only thing that Belinda accepts right now. So see you there.
Huh? Okay, ladies.
The famous Belinda.
Chicken, curried, rice and peas, actually carrot roasted, breadfruit. Yes, man. Everybody come do that, so might as well. That's fine for me.
Not too much rice for me, please.
Alright.
That good.
That's good, yes.
Oh, it's fried chicken. Oh, in a gravy. Yeah, more fried chicken, like thigh.
Thank you. That's good.
Yeah, man, that's perfect.
Yeah.
No, but your food tastes really good.
So roast breadfruit and everything? Yeah. So from what time you start cook?
We can't really tell her exactly, but we reach here like from after 9 o'clock.
Wow.
Yeah, because it take me 1 hour and some minutes to reach here.
Before I come here, sir?
Yeah.
So who helps you?
Me.
Your son?
I love my son.
Oh, your son?
Just a friend.
Oh, yeah?
Okay. So what time you normally finish up and thing?
Then time, when the tourists then finish up.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody who come in now, who come in that ordered lunch.
So if you order from before?
Yes, they
because I look you know. The new time of the
because
link.
I was on my way.
Yes.
So if say, Miss Belinda, you have to order from the day before now.
Yes.
So you have to call her and find out.
Yes, so I can know how much food to bring.
To prepare, yes.
Yes.
So you don't want to cook too much and
Too
waste
much
it.
and then
Yes.
you look a profit you have to make it.
Yeah, it does eat out back, it's true.
Yeah, but your food really, me not like the rice and peas, the curry, the crayfish.
Rice and peas jelly.
Me not like, really did love it. Really. really nice. Me not
So you
like.
don't cook fish? Fish?
Yeah, man,
You
the
cook
cook fish man sometimes. But the fisherman them when me always buy fish and everybody from where they me can't
You
get.
can't get the fish. Who eat out the food?
Me.
You eat out our food?
Why you eat out our food?
That thief they're on.
Every time you come here, I have to eat, brother. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Miss-
man,
Miss-
if I ever know nothing, I eat something.
They eat something. That's how you know say food good. Yeah man,
This
feels
water
good.
refreshing. This water is a running stream.
Yeah man, it's nice man.
King's son girl out there, so right now, then I walk out of the water.
Me no want come out. Yeah.
It's all right, it's all right.
Oh, the one
It's gonna have no too cold and not too hot. It's just nice.
Nice, yes.
And it's not deep. It's nice.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Big up the captain.
Yes, my friend. Crazy.
Prezi. Thank you for this experience.
Captain Mark, man.
Captain, yes. Number 54.
Yeah, man.
We're happy.
Yes, man.
Beautiful ladies.
Yes.
Outerwear.
Yes.
Jamaica.
Outer Kingston.
Yes.
We're in Portland.
Yes.
And the Rio Grande. And
Right.
we're having a wonderful time.
Wonderful time.
Fabulous time.
Greatest time in the world.
Yes.
Can't be better.
Yes.
And it not go worse.
Not go worse.
No, I don't want to come back again, man. Come back, man. Over and over, man.
Well, there you have it. Our time at Belinda has come to an end, and so we raft about an hour or so to the end point at St. Margaret's Bay. It was truly a great experience, and I encourage everyone to at least do this one at Rio Grande. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.